Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Avinash, and in this video we are going to design Android Studio layout. Means I'm going to design these layouts in Android Studio using Constraint Layout, and this is a very important topic. So if you are new in Android development, you must have to watch this video, because in Android development we have two phases. Okay, one phase for backend and one phase for front end. So if you are going for backend, you can do better, but if you are learning front end designing, then this video is very important for you, because designing layout in Android Studio is very easy, as like you design in Adobe XD, but making those design responsive is a very complicated task for a developer or a front-end developer. So I'm going to make these things simple. You can make any kind of design, like you can see here we have three pages, one splash screen, one for login screen, and third one is home page. Okay, so we are not going to focus this kind of stuff. We are going to design these things. Okay, here is a login page, and we have create account. As you can see, we have some widgets in login page. The first one is email address, second one is password, and we have some remember me buttons and login, forget text, and we have some Facebook or Twitter buttons to log in into Facebook and Twitter, and we have text that will say if you don't have account, then if you click on this button you will navigate to this page. Okay, and user can create his new account using sign up page. Okay, so this is not a huge challenge to make responsive login page. Okay, because login page have very less widgets. Here is a simple login, means here is a simple email widgets, and password widget means edit text, and login button. Anyone can make these things responsive, but if you have to use a large amount of widgets in your layout, then it will make complication to make these things responsive. Okay, and I will cover these things in a very easy way using Constraint Layout. Okay, so to know what is Constraint Layout, you can go on Google and type here what is Constraint Layout in Android Studio. Okay, and you can see Constraint Layout is a layout on Android that give you adaptable and flexible way to create view for your app. Okay, so this definition definitely makes sense, and this will work as this definition will say. Let's start designing these things. My friend, I'm not going to designing exactly like this. My topic is to make layout responsive, not designing layout like this. Okay, so if you will make your design responsive, then you can inflate any kind of background like this inside your layout. Okay, so I'm going to design first this screen. Okay, so go ahead, open your Android Studio and make a layout. I'm going to create a layout inside my Android Studio. So right click on it, right click on it and go to new, and then choose layout resource file. Okay, and head over in it and name anything you want. I'm going to design sign up page. Okay, and let me tell you one thing, my friend. If you watch this video till the end, I'm 100% sure you never face any kind of difficulties to make any kind of design very responsive. Okay, and we will definitely test to sorting these screen sizes. Means we will sort the screen size, because we have to see if our design is responsive or not. Okay, So let me first fix my layout. Okay, so I have chosen pixel x2 layout to make design. You can choose any type of layout you want. Okay, so here is a text view. Okay, and we have some more text view like first name, and then we have edit text, then we have last name, that is also a text view, and we have edit text again, and email field, password and password field, all this stuff. And we have a create account button, and we have again a checkbox here, and we have all these things. So let's inflate all this device sorry, all this design inside our layout, and then we will make these things responsive. Okay, so before starting designing a layout, make sure your root layout is constraint layout, because we are working on constraint layout. Okay, so I'm going to choose plain text. You can choose whatever you want. We have already we have text layout here. Most of developer choose. uh, my friend, if you follow along this video, no matter what widget was, you can make any kind of widget. Means if you can inflate any kind of widget inside your layout, and it will automatically convert those design into responsive layout. Okay, so first let me drag here some widgets. Okay, 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. We have 5 edit text. 3 oh, sorry, we have 5 edit text. Okay, and then we have some text view like create account, that is on the top of this layout. Okay, and then we have some layouts, and means first you have to create basic structure of your design like I am doing, and then we will start working on that design. Okay, you don't worry about this, means what I am doing, simply drag and drop, and means arranging all this design line by line. Okay, uh, so I am pretty done. We have to choose we have to get one button, so let me quickly pick a button, and then we need a checkbox. Okay, so type here checkbox. Okay, and then mm, drag it here, and last we need one text view. Okay, and let's make this device sorry, let's make this layout responsive. So split this device design. Okay, it doesn't matter, but let's leave it as it is, and we will simply click on this. And so let's start designing using a constraint layout. I have simply drag and drop all widgets that we want, that is required for this design. Okay, so I have inflated, and first, as you can see here, constraint widgets. Okay, so we have to make these text view to constraint all these four sides. Means we have to constraint it from left, from right, and from top. Okay, make my friend, I always recommend you that please don't use any kind of margin in your design. Okay, and if you need any kind of margin, means if you need to space between these edit text and text view, means you don't have to manually set any kind of margin between those widgets. I have a plan for that. Okay, that's why I am saying please watch this video till the end. So I have constant edit text from top, left and right. My friend, you must have to care about you have to constraint from this side and this side, not any visits. Okay, exactly like I did. I just constraint this text view to the top and left. okay, left parent and right parent and bottom parent, okay, not any widgets, as you can see. And if you as you can see, we have some spring like lines. What these means I will explain later, okay. First let's make changes inside, sorry, inside this design. So first let's make create account and text appearance, headline to, oh, I think it's to use line 1. Oh my god, headline 5 or 4, I think. Okay, this looks good. So and now we have to constant all these things, means we have to arrange these designs, means in a layer from this create account edit text. Let me constraint these things. Create account, then we have to create, means we have to constraint this text view inside this text view, and then we have to constraint all this one by one, like this I am doing. Please follow along with me, and you will not facing any kind of difficulties to make this type of design. For now you don't have to care about spacing. I will fix those issues shortly, okay. You have to do what I am doing, okay. So we will simply constraint line by line all these widgets, okay. And then we have to constraint from left and right from the parent of the layout, okay. So I will simply constraint. This is a very important step to do. Where is this? Okay, so as you can see here, we have an option that is horizontally in parent, okay. So if you choose this option, it will automatically do, and it will also not adding padding to your any kind of means in your widgets, okay. So as you can see, I have simply constraint all these widgets from our layout, and then make all these widgets means match parent. So in constraint layout you don't have match parent, you have to 0dp match parent constraint, okay. So you have to choose this, okay. Just do this, you don't have to think about anything, okay, because we have to make our layout responsive, okay. And we have one thing left, that is our text view, okay. And make it constant from the bottom, okay. And you don't have to care about to constraint these widgets from the top of any widgets, okay. It will okay in the bottom, okay. And all things have been done from now, and you have to just add padding in 16dp, okay. And then your layout look like this, okay. My friend, designing is your part. You can design any kind of layout as you want. Means this video is to make any kind of layout responsive, no matter how many widgets you inflate here. It will means constraint layout automatically convert those widgets in a responsive. So I have simply add some padding and margin, okay. I have to forget to constraint this width to the match parent, okay. And now you can say that what about padding between these widgets, okay. So I have solution for this because we have to make our layout responsive we have to make our layout responsive. We just don't have to give margin manually. Means if I will give margin manually, and if you this margin will cover the this means 16 dp space in your layout, and it will not left that. Okay, but when you follow my trick, then means it will automatically adjust the spaces between and adjust itself according to the screen sizes. Okay, so you have to do just pick your top layout. Means you don't have to pick this layout. Okay, this is our parent widget, as we can say that. Okay, and these are our child widgets. Okay, so we have to constraint these top widget to our parent, means bottom parent. Okay, just follow me as I'm doing. Just you have to do like that. And then we have here you can see we have wheel. We can scroll, and our widgets will scroll along with this wheel, as you can see. Okay, and this will help us to make padding between our widgets. Okay, so first let me constraint all these widgets from our bottom parent, and trust me guys, this trick will 100% convert your layout in responsive layout. Okay, so I'm pretty much done. You don't have to constraint any layout in the bottom of this layout, means this widget. Okay, you have to constraint from the parent of this means from the bottom parent of this layout. You don't have to constraint from any means any widgets bottom. And I'm done now. Okay, so let's make some changes inside our design. We have to give some margin inside our design. Okay, so just simply scroll this, and as you can see we have 1 dp margin and 1 dp margin, sorry. Okay, and there we go. We have means we have margins between our widgets. Okay, and as you can see, I don't have to give any kind of margin manually to these widgets, and means this vertical bias will convert this layout responsive. Okay, you want to see, let me show you. So just convert this from the okay, and now your design ready. If you want to make all these widgets in center, just drag this. Okay, just drag this, and our design will convert in a responsive design. Let me show you. So Android Studio provide all means by default provide to check your device in this different screen sizes. You have to just go from this device preview section and click on it, and if you will choose custom, sorry, you don't have to choose custom, we have some more option here. Okay, as you can see here, generic phones and tablet. We have tons of smallest device here. Okay, so let me choose very means as you can see 480 into 80, and if you will choose, then you can see our device means our design will not cutting from anywhere, and it will totally means 100% responsive. Okay, it will 100% responsive. You don't have to care about anything. Okay, and this is the perfect way to check your design, either your device design is responsive or not. So as you can see, our design will heading over to these widgets. So I will simply drag this wheel from the top, and as you can see, now our design is responsive for any kind of means no matter how many screen sizes in the world, it will automatically adjust itself inside the layout. Okay, you don't have to care about, and I hope you will understand what I am trying to explain in this video. If you understand, then please let me know in the comment section, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, Technique Niga, and please subscribe my channel. And I'm going to change, as you can see, we have some technical videos and all this stuff. Now I'm going to